How to shut down your computer after 1 hour or after a certain time. So let's get started. So first thing, just head over to your search bar and simply search in for PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. So once you search in for that, just run it as an administrator. And once you run it as an administrator, so just wait for a few seconds and now simply type in the following keyword which I will be showing you or command on your screen. So just like this. So the first command I will be pasting over here is this one, that is shutdown /s/t 3600. So the /s basically reminds you of shutdown function and /t determines the time frame which you want to set over here. That is, I have set it 3600 seconds. So that means which is equivalent to 1 hour of your time. So now simply click on enter, and as you can see, a system shutdown has been scheduled. So now what you can do to cancel this is you can basically type in the shutdown command just like this and simply hit space and /a and simply enter, and your shutdown schedule will automatically be cancelled just like that. So once you do all of that, you can simply exit the system. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.